Okay, so we left off here. We had just found the shape, center, and spread of this distribution. This particular problem isn't really a calculator issue, that's just an algebra question. Basically all you do is you put n in, right here, n times here, I'll show it to you. You do n times p times 1 minus p. Hold on, double click. They want it to be normal. They're just saying what is n, so you put an n here like this, and then you leave everything else like what it was, and you know it's got to be greater than or equal to 10, and you just solve it. Like find what this is and then divide both sides of the inequality by that. It's a very simple algebra problem, right? So I'll let you finish that out on your own, but that's basically how to do it. Next, here's what we want. What's the probability? That's going to need a calculator. Okay, so in a random sample of 750 drivers, what's the probability that more than, see that? More than means on the right hand side. So we're going to need normal CDF. Let's bring back the keystrokes so you can see here. Alright, second distribution, normal CDF, and they want more than, let's see it here. Hold on one second. I'm back. I had to minimize that screen. But anyway, okay, so normal CDF, we want 0.985. So 0.985, comma, 1 double E 99, because we're talking about going on forever, comma, now what was the mean? The mean we found up here, it was 0.98, right there, center. 0.98, 0.98, comma, the spread. Now the spread we found right here, it's 0.00511, blah, blah, blah. You could do it that way. Here, I'll do that. 0.00511207772. Close parentheses, enter. You want to keep a lot of decimal places for that, because if you start rounding here to like 0.005, well, let me show you. Second, enter. If I round this sucker, hey, come back. There we go. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, and I press enter now. Look how much different they are. 0.1640, 0.1586. You can get really different from each other if you cut off. So keep that standard deviation with a lot of decimal places. Another way to do it would be, watch this. Oopsie. Hey, quit. Not what I meant to do. Clear. Okay, second entry. Go in here, and you can actually type the square root thing that we did above in here. Square root 0.98 times 0.02 divided by 750, close parentheses, enter. There we go. See, that's more accurate than this one was. This was the one that we cut off so much on. Alright, so that's how to do that with the right tail probability. So to be 0.1640. How to do it with a left tail probability? Less than 728. Well, that's not a proportion. 728 is a whole number. Okay, so we've got 750 drivers. So let me do this. Second, normal CDF. You want to go left tail, so go negative 1 E 99, comma. Now here's the deal. Don't type 728. 728, as far as the calculator is concerned, is 728%, which isn't what you want. What you want is 728 out of 750. See? Make it a proportion, because this is the sampling distribution of sample proportion section. Then comma 0.98, then comma, oh, I can't remember what it is, so I'm just going to have to type it. Square root 0.98 times 0.02 divided by 750, or if you know what that is, then you can just type that in, press enter. So this is 0.0339. Would that be unusual? Oh heck yes, because that decimal right there, 0.0339, is less than 5%, and that is what we consider unusual. Maybe it was a biased sample, maybe it's not really 98% speed anymore, who knows. Okay, but be careful with these ones, because sometimes they'll give you the setup in a percentage like they did for this question. Sometimes they'll give you a whole number like this. If it's a whole number one, you're going to have to convert it in the calculator to a decimal, 728 out of 750, and use that.